What is going on, everyone? Just thought I would make this real quick video today because I know I had a hard time finding these answers when I was looking, and now that I own the Jeep, I can show you. So if you're researching a Grand Cherokee, you might be finding different specs and values places anywhere between 3,500, 6,200, 7,200 for towing capacity for your Jeep. And you want to know exactly what your Jeep's tow rating is. So I have here my owner's manual. This is a 2021 Grand Cherokee. There's the WK2 Grand Cherokee. It is not the new WL, which is the 2022 on up. So, as you can see here, here's the chart. It doesn't matter if you're four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive. What matters, apparently, is the cooling. So, 3.6 liter, whether you're 4x4 or 4x2, 3,500 pounds max trailer weight with a 350 pound max tongue weight. Then moving on to the HD cooling, if you have the heavy duty engine cooling, again, it doesn't matter if it's 4x2 or 4x4, you're gonna get 6,200 pounds max trailer weight with a 620 pound tongue weight. Now, what does the HD cooling mean? If you got the factory tow package, you automatically get the heavy duty engine cooling. So you're gonna wanna look for, is this right here. This is the factory receiver hitch. It's got the Jeep little rubber thing on it. It's built into the rear bumper. It has the rear trim bezel removed, and then you got the 4-pin and the 7-pin. If you're buying a used Grand Cherokee and the hitch is hanging down lower, it's not here with the little cutout, it's probably not a factory hitch. You need to have the factory hitch to have the heavy duty cooling. So as long as you have the factory tow package with a V6, whether it's 4x4 or 4x2, your tow rating is 6,200 pounds with a 620 pound tongue weight. If you do not have the factory tow package, then you do not have the HD cooling. You just have standard, and your tow rating is 3,500. If you have the Hemi with standard cooling, you have a 5,000 pound tow rating, 500 pound tongue weight. If you have the HD cooling, 7,200 pound towing with a 720 pound tongue weight. So the tongue weight is always 10% of the max trailer weight, at least in the case of these Grand Cherokees. So as you'll note, the Hemi that makes a good 100 horsepower more than the V6 only pulls 1,000 pounds more than the V6. So it's not really the engine that has to do with how much you can tow, it's the rest of it. The vehicles that come with the HD cooling system, in addition to having better cooling to keep it cool while towing, it also has heavier duty brakes. So other than the cooling system and the brakes, in theory, if you do not have the heavy duty cooling system, if you just have a standard cooling system, you in theory could pull the 6,200 pounds. You're just gonna have to keep a real close eye on your coolant temp and make sure that you're not going too fast because your brakes aren't as strong as the heavy duty cooling equipped Jeeps. So just something to keep in mind there. You definitely probably could. I mean, your powertrain is all the same with the V6s, whether you got the tow package or not. So really the limiting factors are the cooling and the brakes. But just wanted to put this information out here for you guys. Sorry, it got a little long-winded. I just know that a lot of people see the 3,500 number, they see the 5,000, the 6,200, the 72, and they can't find out exactly what their specific Jeep has. They think it depends on, you know, the air suspension or not air suspension, and if it's a certain trim package or not this trim package. Doesn't matter. Right here. Those are your numbers. It just depends on if you got the factory tow package or not. So hopefully this was informative for some of you. I know it would have helped me out a little bit, so just wanted to clear up any confusion that may be out there. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with any questions, subscribe for more videos like this, check out my other videos, and check me out on all the socials. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.